Good evening. Tomorrow marks 23 years since Laurie Smith took over as sheriff in Santa Clara County. Tonight, her future on the job is unclear. A civil grand jury accuses the sheriff of corruption.
That formal accusation filed today in court. Now, most of the charges are connected to trading concealed weapons permits for campaign contributions. NBC Bay Area's Ian Cull joins us with the details. And Ian, this is a scandal that she's really been trying to shake for more than 2 years now, even as she goes into another election potentially.
Yeah, that's right. And it's been something that we've been following very closely for those 2 years. Two of her top assistants are already facing criminal indictments, and tonight, as one county official says, this is the beginning of the process to remove her from office.
Tonight, the Sheriff Laurie Smith scandal hits a major legal turning point. A civil grand jury accusing the sheriff of multiple counts of willful and corrupt misconduct in office. 6 of the 7 counts are connected to allegations of trading coveted concealed weapons permits for contributions to her re-election campaigns. The accusations include trading those concealed weapons permits, or CCWs, for campaign donations, unfair CCW consideration for non-VIPs, failing to provide those non-VIPs timely notice of their applications, 4, also accepting gifts in excess of $500, which included Sharks Suite tickets from an applicant, 5, failing to report that gift, perjury for omitting that gift from financial forms, and 7, failing to cooperate with the investigation into an inmate injured during transfer from a jail. That last one ended in a $10 million settlement between the county and inmate's family.
Charges like these can't help but undermine the public's trust in law enforcement and in public institutions generally. And I think that's a tragic consequence of the whole affair. But as I say, mostly it's sad that it came to this.
County supervisors unanimously gave the sheriff a vote of no confidence in August after years of incidents at the county's jails, which Sheriff Laurie Smith oversees.
And the matter now is with the courts, and we'll see how it plays out in the coming year.
Because this comes from a civil grand jury, Sheriff Smith herself has not been accused of a crime, but she's due in court on January 12th to answer to the allegations. If she disputes them, the case would be heard in front of a jury, and she could be removed from office.
It's a combination, in a way, of a civil trial, a criminal trial, and it's our substitute here in California for impeachment proceedings. Like an impeachment proceeding, if there's a conviction, the remedy is removal from office, and that's all the court can impose.
The Santa Clara County DA has recused himself in this case, which lawyers say is common practice. So the San Francisco DA, Chesa Boudin, and his office will prosecute it. We reached out to the sheriff's office tonight, but they had no comment. Live in the newsroom, Ian Cull, NBC Bay Area News.